That
So
high.
is Court going to start? Actually, I should be on this side. So is
Alright.
Court going to start or?
I'll let you. All right. Are you all in the courthouse? And you have my head
Yeah.
on post?
Big Hash is
Yes.
here.
Big Hash. Supreme Chief Justice Hash. All right. You might want to start recording because court is in session.
So I may have convinced Raddened and Huff to put a cursor binding head on Pokey's alt account. And I may have convinced Pokey to take me as his lawyer when suing Raddened and Huff.
Will the prosecution please give their opening statement?
Alright. So, my client would like to put several charges on Raddened and Huffplays today because they have unfairly broken into Blastcraft and Pokemon Joe's property, and they harassed him, as you can see here. Very obviously harassed.
You know what? I'm wearing armor. What if you guys do that again?
Actually, hang on. Okay, no one here is gonna. Sorry.
Well, the defense, please kindly shut the fuck up and let the prosecution talk. Now, will the defense please give their opening statement?
John, where are you?
Yeah,
We do not deny that while Pokey's alt account, I would like to specify alt account, was unarmored and in a semi-vulnerable situation, that my two clients did in fact place cursive binding armor on them. That is not something we can or will deny. However, no rules were broken by this action. The property was not in fact private, and the current defense lawyer was directly involved in causing the incident. The current prosecution lawyer, sorry for the misspeak. Game Up 1111 was the one that stated, yeah, prosecutor, fuck. Game Up 1111 is the one who stated, and I quote, you should get a pumpkin head and cursive binding. I am butchering my words. I am so sorry, but
Well, Rule 8, no griefing. Although griefing is a pretty general term, this covers all forms of major griefing, blowing up such as destroying builds, flooding builds, spamming blocks ever, all that stuff. If it ruins anyone's hard work in any way, don't do it. I mean,
that does not apply.
That is the closest thing to this scenario, because you could consider putting a pumpkin on someone else as a form of griefing their body, but
However, notice that it does not say no killing, and this situation can be entirely rectified by killing Pokey's alt account.
I'll let you guys, prosecutor Game Up and defense attorney Nopington, I give you guys the floor.
Sean. Wait, who?
Hi, Brad. Hi, Brad.
Hi, Sean. Hi.
We'll give you guys the floor. Feel free to argue, debate. You know.
Sean.
Okay.
I would like to call Raddened to the witness stand.
Oh, okay.
Sean. I would like. Sean.
I told you I will speak to you. I'll speak for you.
Sean.
If you have anything,
I would like to point out I had to break a block to put that on my head. I put the block in front of myself.
If you have anything you want to say.
And when I came back, the block wasn't back.
Pokey, you are not supposed to talk right now. You don't have the floor.
right there.
Cameron, can you describe the circumstances in which you were, the circumstances that followed the event in which you placed the cursive binding gear on Pokey's alt account?
Okay, so basically, well, let me just describe the scene here. So I was told, encouraged to go over and I was told, oh, Pokey's AFK, put a cursive binding pumpkin on him. I was also offered diamond.
Who was it that stated this?
Well, if memory serves me correctly, it was Game Up.
Who was it that stated that? Who was it that stated that they'd get paid if they were to do this? Who was the one who said they would pay you?
You can plead the fifth, by the way. You can plead the fifth.
I plead the fifth.
suspicious of him.
As a witness, I overrule the fifth. Wait.
Oh,
Yeah,
actually,
in
he overruled the
regards-
fifth. Yeah,
No,
okay.
You know
in
what?
regards to
You
the
know what?
witness. In regards
what?
to the witness, I overrule the fifth.
Hey guys, to the witness. All right.
I would
Kevin.
like to state that this individual was in fact me. However, the point of this argument
So
is not.
in that case, you wouldn't plead the fifth. You would say
stated it.
objection. You would say objection. That's not a case for
Oh, well,
the fifth.
I'm nothing to just stated it. He did it. If I can't be a prosecutor here, then you can't be an attorney here.
Look. Okay, who was the one who actually...
Okay.
Thank you. Now, if you guys will indulge me, who was the one who actually paid him?
That was me.
That was Brad.
They're looking pretty bad.
I mean, Sean's allowed to say that. You're not... You are allowed to listen, but, like, you're not allowed to, like,
You know what?
go through
I'm
with it.
just gonna meet in that one.
Good idea.
May I say something?
Sure.
I'd like to reinforce that.
Wait,
the
Sean, why do you say yeah? It's my court.
Still did not break any rules, so they really don't have any right to.
Exactly. In this situation,
Objection sustained.
I was told by my client that a block was broken, and I can confirm via my evidence of the multiple pictures taken that a block was broken and therefore being a direct violation of our no griefing rule. Still,
Ooh.
it's altered.
Prosecutor, what does the defense have to say about this?
Cameron, is this true?
Well, yeah. Okay. Yes, I did have to break like 2 blocks to place the dispenser, but those blocks were placed
Place the
directly back.
dispenser?
Can we moved back to the rules and that it says major griefing?
Yes,
This
I'd like to-
entire I would like to restate that
Brad.
the entire circumstances of this.
Bread. Those are server rules.
We're talking about the rules of Hashlandia.
Ashlandia.
Hang
None
on,
of
wait.
the Hashlandia rules this time.
Can the rules of Hashlandia be clearly stated in the matter so that we may continue without further disruption in the court?
Well,
He's gonna make him up right on the spot.
don't be a dick. Don't be violent. Don't incite incursion. And just overall, just like, don't piss other people off. And don't
Okay,
kill
well, that's
them.
pretty general.
Hang on,
Your
wait.
Honor, I would like to plead that my client has been pissed off.
Exactly.
The act of pissing someone, if the act of pissing someone off is a crime, then in that case, Hash, you fucking piece of shit, how dare you breathe? How dare you? How dare you, Hash?
Pissed off by everyone here.
How
Oh, you
dare
should
you
go to
be in a
prison.
position of authority?
Intent matters.
Intent matters. Alright, in that case, there was no
Cameron
malicious...
intended to troll Pokey here. And, Bread, you fucking paid him to do it.
And Sean did instigate the entire incident.
Can
Who gives
I
a fuck if he instigated it? You didn't have to listen to him.
can I
That is true.
I
But
would
they
like to
didn't have to
call-
accept my payment either.
I'd like to call Huff to the stand.
Oh no. It's fine. Okay.
So Huff, is it true that you were with Rad when this event happened?
I plead the fifth.
All right. And is it true that
No, you don't
Dave-
plead the fifth. You object to the question.
No,
And you
well,
wouldn't even object to the question. That's Bread's job. Bread, what are you doing?
No.
Wait, hang on.
Fifth?
I
No,
can't object to these.
Yeah, but the person on the witness stand can plead the fifth if.
It's
if he is
Ashlandia, not the
reliable.
fucking United States of America.
Oh. Well,
Hang on,
Nothing
wait.
matters.
well, there goes my knowledge of the law. Okay.
Why are we even having like a normal court system if we're in
Because
Hashland?
it's very
it makes for good
similar.
content? It makes for good
Okay,
content.
True.
Exactly,
Okay.
for content.
Wait, so the judge can just like not allow the fifth to be pled?
Yeah, the judge literally like rules this entire place. He can make up whatever he wants.
All right. So okay, let me get on with my questioning, please.
Yes. A cross-examination may begin. You are allowed to object. You are allowed to ask questions once the prosecution has finished their thing.
Huff. All right.
Yes,
Is it true
yes.
that you also gave Rad the pumpkin in this act?
Objection, leading the witness.
Objection overruled. Sean, go ahead with the question.
Is it true that you gave Rad the pumpkin?
Technically, I did not give Rad a pumpkin.
Oh, okay, all right. And
Technically.
is it true, Huff, that you were not paid any money during this event?
True. I was not paid a single diamond.
All right. Now, Huff, did you help Rad when this event occurred? Would you consider yourself a accomplice to Rad's act?
Objection leading the witness.
Objection overruled.
But this isn't really one biased. Alright, so what do you mean by accomplice?
Were you also involved in the crimes that took place at Pokey's base?
I mean, what do you mean involved? Like, these are broad terms we're spitting out right now.
This is so stupid.
Did you aid in the act in any way, shape, or form?
Yes.
All right, so that's a confession to you aiding at the act. Now, who was it that flicked the lever, Huff, when that happened?
I think that was Rad.
Actually, I did not flick any lever. I pushed the button.
Interesting, it was a button.
Cameron, you could have just said no and gotten away with that.
Actually, yeah,
but
why?
Could I call my client to the stand?
Are you sure you want to call Pokey to the stand? I don't see this ending well for you. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna take back that for.
I would like to call Pokey to the stand.
Oh, there we go.
Why? How the tables have?
Yeah.
Okay, now Pokey to the stand.
Hey,
Just
first
like
of
me,
all, I made
not rehearse.
I made a mistake picking the guy, for one. Yeah,
Pokey, you are allowed.
Because-
Pokey, you are allowed to defend yourself.
The stand, Pokey.
I know, but I just want to say some nice things about him.
Pokey, the stand, please.
You know?
You're literally standing on
first
my
of all, I
stand.
made a mistake picking him because he is guilty as you three.
Okay.
Well, like the Three Stooges. But you guys had no right to go in my bait. You had the break block to put that on me, first of all. And does it matter what I use the account or it's still the account? In the end of the day, does it matter what I use it or? I could AFK with my main account too. What would you do that to my main account too? Yeah, you would. So does it matter what I use it for? And how you put the armor on me, so because it had 11 deaths, and you want it to be at 12, and now I have to kill that account to get that armor off.
Or you could just leave it.
I can't fucking see. You're kidding, right?
I'm not.
Why didn't I
fully
think of that? It upset me that I can't even AFK at my own fucking base.
Bars.
You can.
Period.
No, I can't. Apparently not. Without you guys doing something to my account.
Sorry. Bread, if I fucking stab your eyes out with a hot stick and tell you, oh, you can still play Minecraft, wouldn't you be a little upset? Alright, let's wrap
At the
this up.
end of
'Cause
the
I'm pretty
day,
sure I
do you
have my
have it to the
verdict.
main account? I could use it to
Can I call
AFK
game
too.
down?
So would you enter the AFK account?
I call game down to
Would
the
it-
stand.
Oh! Also, honestly, I kind of feel like this whole court system is not.
Not
Well
great
done.
because we don't have anything set out yet. Yeah.
I have a few words to say. You know, it was a horrible idea making Hap president. He the word.
No. Well, you're not gonna win the judgment with that.
Pokey, I'm agreeing with you, Pokey. What are you doing?
Yeah, okay, Pokey.
But you're not running it pretty good.
Like I
at
said, I
all.
told you, calling Pokey to stand is not going to end well for you.
I'd like to call Pokey off the stand.
You know what,
All right. I would like to make my closing remarks.
All right.
Yeah, please do your closing. Pokey, please step
You know
off the
what?
stand. Brad,
You
you
know
may give your
what?
closing remarks.
Raddened, when
I'm gonna all
following-
the count of 3 to leave my land and never come back on it.
Pokey, please be quiet. You've already
No,
damaged your
no, I
reputation.
am not gonna be quiet. That's the last thing I'm
Someone
gonna
please
do.
leave Pokey.
Pokey, please be quiet. Pokey, we have to win this.
Why?
Okay? And if we're not gonna win
Pokey,
this,
you guys are on
You're
track to
guilty.
winning. If
don't
I were
want
you, I would
somebody
just shut up.
talking to me that-
okay. I move my
Okay.
for chat. For the judges.
For my own sanity.
Yeah.
No, he's getting his strength.
Something I would like to call attention to is
can we wrap this up, please? Hurry up before he comes back.
Yeah.
something I would like to call attention to is the history of our client of our prosecution. Pokey has been nothing but violent throughout the entirety of Blastcraft.
Don't you have a hitman gig on the side?
That has not. Yeah, that hasn't started since this season. But anyways, following the incident, I do recall hearing while in call that Raddened was in fact being attacked by Pokey. Is this true?
Me too. Yeah.
Yeah, both of you were assaulted by Pokey following the incident. This seems kind of biased, as every one of their objections has been sustained despite no apparent.
Yeah, because they actually have good objections. The reason why I sustained this one is because the reputation doesn't matter.
Yeah,
the past doesn't matter. What we're caring about is the present.
Oh,
Your Honor, he's
okay. Yeah, I would like to.
What the fuck?
Okay, this entire court has just been invalidated.
I don't know about that, but I.
Yeah, your whole point has been validated this whole time. You were grasping at straws from the start.
Dude, Pokey just tried to spawn a wither in the courthouse.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
He's trying to spawn a wither.
Closing remarks are finished.
Your Honor, my client is joking.
After the whole situation, it was time we work on something more important. It's time we build our first shop. What's the best way to earn money? A casino. So that's what we're gonna build.
You have extra job.
Oh, you're building the casino right now?
Yeah. Alright, so
Okay.
I just don't question why I'm in this outfit. I just got this beautiful bridge done. It's judged by the Steve Harvey. And now we're finally gonna do it. We got the resources. We're gonna build our first shop of the season. Layden's in it. Oh. But Bill? Yeah. Yeah, Bill, time-lapse, actual time-lapse start. Now. The interior still needs to be constructed, so in the next episode, we will invite some blast crafters over and we'll have a gambling night. Before we end this episode, however, a new member has created a Thanksgiving event for us to partake in. Let's check it out.
What do you think of me without any pants?
You look fine. Everyone looks fine. Everyone looks fine as always. Today we're going to be doing a Thanksgiving event. This event requires you to be without food. Oh, but wait, this event is about food. As you can see from this board over here, certain foods will actually give you certain amounts of points. So basically, what you do is you claim one of these chests. They are a single chest. You can't have a double chest. One of these chests will be yours, and what you will do is you will fill it with as much food as you can possibly get. And
What type of food? Does it matter?
anything edible. No potions, however. No.
What about a nut apple?
We can't take it from our supply. We have to go out and get new ones.
Yeah, I already know what I'm doing. Golden.
Well,
All right.
I'm gonna be giving this guy like a stack of golden apple, mining for gold.
And
apples.
You also have to find the apples.
Oh shit, I do.
Well, you can't
What?
have apples in your inventory. But we
Oh,
do
I didn't
have-
bring my hoe.
We do have apples over here. We have apples.
What are we allowed to take though?
Look at the trade.
Oh, we need to trade something.
We need our own raw gold.
Fine.
Like,
aside.
please.
Am I? I'm not allowed to go get my hoe, right? Correct.
You can make one.
Bruh,
Okay.
you forgot
well,
your
can I go?
hoe.
Yeah. Well, shut up, Sean. You are a hoe. You'll be my hoe.
Funky.
Give me the hoe.
I always
Give me
remember.
the hoe. Give me the. Wait, you guys probably have silk touch on your hoe,
No, I have Unfortune.
Cameron.
I also have fortune.
Really? I'm the only one that put silk touch on a hoe.
How
Okay,
else
well,
supposed to get the saplings to mature?
Well, if you
that's
guys
not worth.
if you guys have any more questions, feel free to let me know.
How much time do we have?
Let's say until 7 o'clock.
All right.
7 o'clock?
Yep.
Not even an hour. Why not until like 7:07?
I had to wait because you guys were kept talking.
Yeah.
Okay,
Maybe
fine.
maybe
Can we get
should've-
started?
Yes,
I know
we
my
can get
strategy.
started.
Am I allowed to make fireworks?
Go ahead.
I was just
Fireworks are
wondering
not fair.
because I forgot to bring my fireworks shulker bot, and now I'm kind of screwed.
I'm really
Because I'm
happy I
going to
carry a bunch
far.
of shit in my inventory.
Well, I
mean,
thought I
you
was
can
gonna be
carry-
dying on it. Like,
You can carry shulker boxes on you to carry more stuff, but like you can't put a shulker box full of food in the chest.
So my plan is to spend the whole hour mining chorus fruit, and see how much I can get by the end of the event. It isn't worth many points, but in what it lacks, it makes up for how easy it is to get. So I'll see you guys after the hour.
Oh, where's my chat? Oh yeah, it's this one.
Did Pokey
My
just
sixth
leave?
bread.
Well, the chests that were found were chest 8, which was at spawn. And
No, you're not allowed to do that.
one chest at Bone Army.
So didn't he literally say you can't put sugar boxes in here?
Wait, did you say that?
I did. You can carry shulker boxes on you to carry more stuff, but like you can't put a shulker box full of food in the chest.
Oh damn, hold on.
Disqualified. Disqualified immediately.
So I may have forgot you can't use shulker boxes. Whoops. Well, that was that. Next episode, we're gonna open up the casino. See y'all there. Sayonara.